Very nice. And that looks pretty good. I guess I can weld sometimes. It just depends on the day, how I feel, what I have to do. All right, so got this piece here welded to the plate. Plate is just tacked in, goes through the dash to my roll cage, and that's how it looks. I'm gonna have to cut out the dash in the corner, but that's correct way to do this. Once all that's done, then I'm gonna have a piece all the way here around the intake manifold connected to this side, and then I'll make a loop from here connected right here. These bolts gonna get out. I want to weld this plate in place. Same thing here, and then from there I'm gonna bend this piece going down and over my transmission. So yeah, just it's gonna look really good once I'm all done. I think this side here is done. Just tack welded everything in place. Now I gotta do is do the same thing on the driver's side, and once that's done, then do the same thing here. Put one across, probably join one in the middle across there. Then I'll have a piece from here down, same thing on the other side, and then these plates that I welded on the other side, I'm gonna have a piece from here right here. So yeah, once all that's done, I think I'm gonna get a piece here as well, right here underneath my dash, straight across. I should have room underneath my dash for that, so that'll help a lot. So far so good. I'm happy how this is looking, so just keep going till I'm still waiting. Monday they're supposed to call me. I need more metal to finish up these back pieces. I'm gonna have across from here back there, same thing from here there. Then I'll have one loop for my seat belts. I'm gonna build some kind of strut bar for the back, probably a piece across, and then join it right here in the middle. My fuel cell, my ice box, my battery. I'm gonna try to separate, since I have more weight on the driver's side, so I'll kind of move things on the passenger side as well. But so far so good. I'm happy how this is turning up. Just a lot of more work to do. Okay, so working on the driver's side, got the little plate welded in here, just tack welded. Drilled a hole through the dash so I can match it to a passenger side. One thing I'm gonna have to do, and I want to do it, so this is a bracket for the wiper motor, and me running this pipe, this brace the way it is, I'm not gonna be able to put back original motor for wipers. So what I'm gonna do, instead of 2 wipers, I'm gonna build get the universal kit or something and switch to single wiper. Probably put it somewhere in the middle, that way I can get most of the windshield with one single wiper. That should work. That'll give me room back there to do what I gotta do. So now I gotta notch this pipe here for my roll cage. I got that pipe pretty much bent how I wanted it. Once this is all done, then I'll probably run another pipe from here all the way back there against the dash, whatever you call a dash. So yeah, so far it's looking good. Yeah, buddy, getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Just gotta adjust that piece a little bit more and just start welding everything together. So far so good. Of course this piece just a little bit lower, which means I have to just grind it off just a little bit more. Welds are looking pretty good, I think. Welded these ports right here, right here, right over here. Now, okay, so I measured my motor. This is how far my intake manifold comes, right where this line is. So what I'm gonna do is I got this pipe. I'm gonna start right here, go this way, then I'm gonna bend it down, come this way and join it right here. Reason why, because I have my air box that I still kind of want to use. Thought about making this piece removable, but I don't think I'll do it. So I'm gonna just weld it in. I think it's better if I do, just because it'll be much stronger than putting some bolts in, and I feel like if I just go like that, weld it in, I can even probably stick my intake manifold underneath. I'm gonna actually check that right now. Maybe if I put the engine back in and measure it and see if I can stick my intake manifold underneath. That way I don't have to curve it. I can just pull it this way, you know. Got me thinking now. Maybe that'll be a better option. Piece by piece, it's looking good. This takes a lot of time, and trying to situate that motor and transmission in. I think I'm gonna redo these pieces. Instead of 1.25 inch, I'm gonna run to 1.5 inch. So yeah, I'm just gonna redo it. It's gonna look better and way stronger. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Left off yesterday, finished up these pieces, connect them to the roll cage. I think today I'm gonna pull these off and upgrade them to 1.5 inch. These are 1.25 inch. Just they'll be stronger. What I'm doing right now is trying to connect that plate that I welded on the other side of a dash right here to my roll cage, because on both sides this is where my mount for my transmission will be. There will be piece removable. It's gonna go from here down to the bottom, one piece across here that's gonna be connected as well. This piece is gonna be removable as well, and just same thing I'm gonna be doing on the driver's side as well. That's the plan today. I don't have much time today, but a few hours should be enough. I got a lot of lights, LED lights I have to swap to make this place more brighter, but today I just don't have time. Forgot I have these. They should help out a lot. But yeah, just a lot of welding today as well. Grinding, welding, and this should help a lot. So I'm just trying to get that right angle. I gotta notch this pipe right now. Boom. And there you go. Just like that. Now I gotta match the other side as well, but I can still get underneath, do my welds, and make it nice and tight. Before I weld this piece in, I'm gonna go and make one more just like this one for the other side, because I have checked and this is a perfect fit as well on the driver's side. So before I go any further, I'm gonna go make one more. I got this piece made and it fits pretty nice. All I gotta do is now tack weld it and measure it and do the same thing on the other side. But this should help a lot, plus it will hold that piece. My motor mount piece is too bad I can't run one across just because my pedals are in the way, but I'm gonna figure something out. I even thought about drilling a hole through here and joining a piece to the top. I think that's what I'm gonna do. That's actually a pretty good idea. So yeah, drill a hole through here, get a piece from top, and weld it to the top section. Very nice. I just thought of something. Look at that. I'm getting somewhere. Ha! First thing first, I'm gonna tack weld this piece in and go from there. I think should have probably, well, I can get the hole. This right here goes all the way through, so if I find that right above the plate, I think I can drill a hole right in here and I can join that section going across. Well, maybe not. My intake manifold goes pretty low, so that's a no. Getting there slowly. This is a pain in the butt, but I'll get it done. Alright, so I got these pieces right here welded. Then, in order to get to the top, I cut small pockets on both sides so I can get and weld that right. Put it back in, weld it, you know, and make sure you get those welds all the way around, otherwise it's not gonna hold how it's supposed to hold. So just cut small pockets on top and get it done. Get it done. Now, because of my manifold, thinking about getting some pieces right here up, but I'll probably have to put my engine back in to measure. That way I can get that connected to the bar across. Okay, so I got these pipes welded from top, and I opened up these holes bigger just because. So I got these pieces left over from, you know, junk pieces. Just thinking about it, notching it and making it just like this, connecting these bottom pieces to the top, and then from here I'm gonna run that one bar that I was talking about all the way across. That's gonna be removable. So I think that's gonna be really good idea. I could even go this way more something like this, and maybe not too close, just because I want to get those, to be able to get those welds all the way around. So maybe go towards the firewall more, just like that. That way I can get those welds really good, not too far, but something like this. I think that would look pretty good. So one side, another side. Now before I weld them, I want to put these patch pieces back in piece by piece. That way I can drill a hole, just drop this in. I also have to plug this one up. My original plan was, instead of this to go from here, actually instead of this one to go down, and that would be way too much complicated. I mean, I could have done it now that I look at it, but oh well, it is what it is. This is going to be way stronger. One piece, two piece, so then I'll have another piece here that's going to be attached to the front loop here. So yeah, this car is going to be way much stronger, let's just say that. And I'm just going to just start closing these holes up slowly, one by one, and patching things up, and that's going to be looking good.